Engraving on metal pipes used to be a painstaking challenge. Now, with the right innovation, the tool does the work almost by itself. Clean, crisp, and professional results. Woodworking is a timeless art. Every grain and surface demands its own technique. With the right tools, a skilled hand can turn any vision into a masterpiece. Installing heavy ceiling panels manually is a backbreaking nightmare. But with this professional-grade tool, the job becomes smooth, quick, and almost effortless. Woodworking is art, and this rotating saw attachment is the brush. With it, you can carve true masterpieces. Here's the ultimate life hack for your toilet. Maintenance and cleaning just became effortless, keeping everything in tip-top shape. Your plumbing will thank you for the extra care. Pair this automatic caliper with a saw, and you unlock perfectly measured, perfectly even cuts every single time. Precision doesn't get easier than this. Take note, this modern marvel solves nearly every challenge in seconds. With multiple rotating attachments and adjustable power, it adapts to whatever task you throw at it. Leveling your ceiling with one hand? Believe it! This foldable, lightweight tool is so compact it feels like a childhood friend tagging along in your bag. Getting perfect cuts and flawless angles has always been tricky, until now. This tool delivers quick, simple, and precise results every time. Twist it once and suddenly, magic happens. Two essential tools combined into one clever design, doubling efficiency and cutting your effort in half. This magnetic tool pulls metal in like it's destiny. Pure attraction with a powerful purpose. Fixing beams at height has never been easier. This game-changing tool slots each piece perfectly into place. Lawn mowing in 3 seconds flat? Believe it. This tool trims grass so evenly, it looks like your lawn just got a professional haircut. Trust me, your neighbors will notice, and they'll be jealous. Struggling with the perfect cutting angle? This precision ruler makes it effortless, opening up new levels of accuracy for your projects. Strength usually takes effort, but not with this. A simple hand press, and suddenly difficult jobs melt away. Three craftsmen, 3 tools, and 1 goal: absolute perfection in woodworking. Each master handles their tool like an extension of their hand, transforming raw wood into pure art. Mounting ropes to ceilings used to be a chore. With the right device, the process is so smooth, it almost feels enjoyable. There's something strangely satisfying about watching boxes packed one by one by a mechanized assistant. For us, it's entertainment. For the operator, it's just another day. A universal tool with multiple attachments is like a Swiss Army knife, only better. It adapts to any task, whether you're a pro or a complete beginner. This foldable bike basket is like a magic pocket, compact when you don't need it, spacious when you do. always ready for the ride. Can't see into tight spaces? A little ingenuity with your phone unlocks even the narrowest gaps. Suddenly, every hidden corner is visible. Perfect stamping doesn't just happen. It requires a machine that delivers flawless parts again and again until the material itself runs out. And that's exactly what this powerhouse does. Seasoning food accurately is usually a guessing game, until now. This innovative measuring spoon lets you add spices faster and more precisely. Rolling dough like a pro baker? This machine does it faster than the flour settles, speeding up prep in any kitchen. Metal bends and edge processing? No longer a challenge. This machine takes over everything: polishing, cleaning, finishing, all in one seamless operation. Here's a lamp with a personality of its own. Drop in more beads, and it shines brighter. Like creativity itself, the more you add, the more brilliance it gives back. Here's a glimpse at the future of craftsmanship. Machines working with precision so perfect, they almost feel alive. With this dust cleaning sponge, your furniture gets a second life. Old surfaces look instantly refreshed, as though they just rolled out of the showroom. Working with wires requires precision, and this tool delivers. Every connection becomes faster, neater, and more professional. Heavy lifting has always been tough, but this tool changes that. It makes the job safer, easier, and far more efficient. Cable chaos solved. With this retracting tool, one click and everything snaps neatly into place. Some tools don't need explanation. Their results speak louder than words. This is one of those tools. This craftsman is a true virtuoso. With each stroke, he polishes wooden surfaces to perfection, leaving behind a gleaming finish that shows both skill and passion. Virtual reality driving has never felt more real. With pedals at your feet and a steering wheel in your hands, it's like sitting inside an actual car. Need a button sewn fast? This sewing machine does it before you can even thread a needle. It's speed and accuracy in one. Tile joints are not a place for guesswork. With this tiny square, accuracy isn't a maybe, it's a guarantee. Every cut, every line, perfectly aligned. Imagine this, a safe hidden behind bathroom tiles. Secure, discreet, and clever. Who would think to live there? Ever wondered how fishing hooks are made? It's no easy task. The process requires jewelry-level precision and steady patience, tiny details that make all the difference. Rusty, worn-down tools? Give them new life with this restoration tool. One glance, and it's like they've never been used before. Disassembling wooden structures used to mean breaking them apart. Not anymore. With this device, it's as easy as taking a seat and watching it do the hard work for you. A brilliant life hack that makes every job on site lighter and faster. Use it once, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it.